or like. These two might be confusing, so today I'm going to explain the difference between them. Let's go! I will start with comparisons, as I think this one is the most confusing. We can use either like or as when we make comparisons, but there are some important differences in the way we use them. We use like together with a noun or a pronoun.
You're beautiful like your mom. A cat is like a dog, but smaller. He's clever like me.
We use as in the structure as, adjective as.
He's as tall as his dad. A cat is not as big as a dog. She's as funny as me.
We also use as in expressions as much as, the same as.
I hate shopping as much as you do. Nobody loves you as much as she does. Having a cat is not the same as having a dog. Hey, my dog is the same as yours.
And sometimes we can use both.
I'm crazy about parrots as you are. I'm crazy about parrots like you are. I'm crazy about parrots like you. We love horror films as you do. We love horror films like you do. We love horror films like you.
When we talk about jobs or roles, we use as. He works as a teacher, meaning that he is a teacher. I worked as a doctor, meaning that I was a doctor. Susie wants to work as a singer, meaning that she wants to become a singer. We could use like in these examples, but that would change their meaning. I worked like a doctor. This means that being a doctor was not my job, but the way I worked was similar to how doctors work. Compare these two sentences.
As your sister, I know you really well. Like your sister, I know you really well. The first sentence means that I am your sister and I know you well. The second sentence means that I am not your sister, but I know you well.
We can use like and as to give examples. I love dogs like terriers and beagles. I love dogs such as terriers and beagles. You could change something, like your hairstyle, to feel better. You could change something, such as your hairstyle, to feel better. We can use as when we mean because. As I arrived too late, nobody was waiting for me. I had to make an appointment with another doctor as my GP is on holiday. We can also use as when we mean at the same time.
You called me as I was thinking about you. As she was baking cakes, he was preparing salads.
Alright, let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. I hope that like and as are not so confusing anymore. If you have a specific video request, let me know in the comments. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!